To all my amazing viewers out there, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for the newest content that I upload. Hi, what's up YouTube? Today I decided to change out a chain drive system, which is an older Genie Pro model 1024 half horsepower. It's a chain drive system and it was just loud, and then it was having some issues with the remote and taking programming and all kinds of issues going on with the wall button as well. But I decided to change it out with a Silent Max 750 series 3/4 horsepower. If you'd like to check out the specs on this awesome system or want to know how to install one of these, then just check out the links I have in the description below. Here's how loud the chain drive system is. Here's how quiet the new belt drive system is. I do highly recommend you using the garage door opener LED bulbs by Genie, because if you use a regular LED bulb or a incandescent bulb, it can cause some interference and lessen the range of your remote. So if you want to check out the best deals on these awesome LED bulbs, I have the link in the description below for that as well. Here's what the LED bulbs look like whenever they're plugged in. They do appear to have a yellowish, soft white looking color. It's not like that bright daylight color, but they work really well and they're very energy efficient. But this is what it looks like whenever you turn them on and off. And unfortunately, these bulbs don't come with your garage door opener system, so you have to purchase it in addition to the system. Here's what the old garage door sensor looks like. I actually had this one on the right side wasn't working properly, but the one on the left side was working. So again, this system that I have on here is probably at least 10 years old, so it needed some serious replacing. Here's what the left side looks like with the new sensor. I was lucky that this place was already pre-wired for a garage door opener, so it made it really easy to switch everything out. This garage door opener kit does come with plenty of wiring if you do need it though. Programming a remote or several remotes is very easy on this system. All you have to do is just hit the learn button, and then on the remote you pick one of those three buttons that you want to choose to be your garage door opener button. Once you select the button you want, then you hold it down for a few seconds, and if you press it about 1 or 2 times, then it will start to engage it. I actually programmed 3 different remotes and used the same designated button on the top. So all you have to do again is hit that learn button, then you're going to select the button that you would like to open the garage with, and you're going to hold it down one more time, and then it should open up by the 3rd time. Programming your wireless keypad is really easy too. All you have to do is, the very first step is to press 357. Second step is press the program key. Third step is to enter in your new PIN number. And your fourth step is to hit program. And now your password is set. Next, you need to sync the two together. So you want the wireless keypad and the garage door opener to work together. So you're going to have to press the learn button one more time, and then you're going to enter in your passcode into your keypad, and then press the up or down key button 3 times slowly. And now your programming is done. In the future, whenever you want to open up your garage door with your wireless keypad, all you have to do now is just enter in your passcode and then hit the up and down button. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Definitely check out the links in the description below if you want the best deals on these garage door openers or the accessories, and I also have the instructions on how to install garage door openers down in the description below. But please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, and as always, thank you all for watching.